Okay, so now I'm here with another person called again on the key of C sharp. So today is a 2-5-1 progression, a new one. For this one is for beginners, so the chord is not too long, it's very short, just like this. Now on C sharp. I'm gonna play it first, then I'll play it slowly for you to see. So this is the chord. 2-5-1, 2-5-1. Now look at it. Your left hand is going like this. Your right hand is going like this. And when you are going to your 5, then when you are going to your 1, you are doing, which means you are adding your 5th to your 1. You are merging your sum and your do together. You merge your sum and your do, which is the very simple basic 2-5-1, which is so practice, guys, and enjoy the chord.